Tired of unreliable public Wi-Fi leaving you disconnected when you need internet the most? Today, we'll show you how to transform your iPhone into a personal hotspot, providing a secure and convenient internet connection for all your devices, no matter where you are. First, locate the Settings app on your iPhone's home screen and tap to open it. Once in Settings, scroll down and tap on Cellular, sometimes labeled Mobile Data, depending on your region. In the Cellular menu, look for Personal Hotspot and tap on it. If you don't see Personal Hotspot here, it might be listed under Cellular Data Options, then Personal Hotspot. You'll see the Personal Hotspot settings. The first thing you'll notice is the Allow Others to Join toggle, which is currently off. Tap the toggle switch to turn on Allow Others to Join. This activates your iPhone's hotspot feature. Now, for security, it's crucial to set a strong password. Tap on Wi-Fi password and enter a new password that's at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This will prevent unauthorized access to your hotspot. With your hotspot enabled and password set, other devices can now connect on your laptop, tablet, or other phone. Go to the Wi-Fi settings and look for your iPhone's name in the list of available networks. Select your iPhone and enter the password you created. For some devices, if you are having connection issues, toggle the Maximize Compatibility setting. This may improve the connection for some older devices. Back on your iPhone in the Personal Hotspot settings, you'll also see how many devices are currently connected to your hotspot. This is a great way to monitor usage and ensure no unknown devices are using your data. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly turn your iPhone into a secure and reliable personal hotspot, keeping you connected wherever you go.